In this video, I'll show you how to stake and earn on Exodus Wallet using ATOM, SOL, and ETH. First, open your Exodus Wallet on desktop or mobile and unlock it. Make sure you already hold some ATOM, SOL, or ETH in your wallet and keep a small amount of each coin for network fees. On the home screen, look for the Rewards/Earn section or open the specific coin and find the Earn Rewards/Stake button. Let's start with ATOM. Tap Cosmos, Atom, then tap Earn Rewards or Stake Atom. Enter how much Atom you want to stake and confirm. Exodus will delegate your Atom to a validator and you'll start earning rewards. Remember, there's usually an unbonding period before you can fully unstake. For SOL, open Solana, SOL, tap Stake/Earn, choose the amount, and confirm. Your SOL will be delegated on-chain, and you'll see your staked balance and rewards build up over time. For ETH, open Ethereum, ETH, tap Earn Rewards/Stake ETH, read the notes about lockup and provider, choose the amount, and confirm the transaction. You can later return to each asset's rewards or stake screen to claim or unstake according to the network rules. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.